Welcome, everybody. Thank you for tuning in into another episode of Formula 2000 Diecast. Today we have more Matchbox, Jurassic Park, and construction. So let's not wait and let's crack open the. Let's start with the Jurassic Park first. Let me move this out of the way and then we can start cracking open the packages. Give me one sec. We have this beautiful Jurassic World pack, 5-pack from Matchbox. I actually found this one at the dollar store and it was the same price as the other 5 packs. Walmart and Target, they have them like marked up like $3 or $4 more. So I wasn't gonna buy 5 castings for $10, but for $6, why not? Let's start with the helicopter. I don't know the name of this casting, but it's pretty good. Let's do something. Let's adjust the camera down so we can see better. It just has the BIOS and logo there. Then we have this one. This one's called Off-Road Rescue Rig. This is a moving part. Yep, that is a moving part. You can. So it has chains and dinosaur damage on the top. It's pretty cool. And it has mud on the side. Pretty cool. Oh, bumping the camera. No interior detail, but that's alright. Let's go for the other non-licensed casting. This one is ambulance. Nope, no name. Pretty cool, heavy duty. Car/tank with 6 wheels. Pretty cool. Then we go to the Silverado 2014 Chevy Silverado with mud all over and some dinosaur markings. Oh, pretty cool Silverado. And then the best for last, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class for official use only. Green color. Oh, I never noticed the windshield in there. The windshield wiper on the top. You guys see it? No details, just some decals and the Mercedes logo there, but nothing on the front. Then we also have loose ones. We have this Mission Team Patrol Craft. We almost dropped it. I think this is the one that gets attacked by the Mosasaurus on the latest movie. Pretty cool. Just basic, little bit of metal, and the rest of it is plastic. We have some rope and a net and a harpoon right there too. To catch fish. Oh, and the bottom has some damage. Like it's been scratched by the dinosaur. That's pretty cool. Oh, the size as well, but you can see it from the thick paint that they put on. Good job. Jeep Wrangler. Again with the bison. Genetics logo. No Diecast on the front or the back, or just a little bit right there. Plastic based metal body. Pretty cool little Jeep. Then this one, it's another one of my favorites too. The Humvee with blood spatter splashes all over it. This one's with the engine logo on the side. Top is metal. Humvee. Plastic base. And yep, splashes of blood everywhere. And now we continue with another construction 5-pack. It doesn't have a name like the other ones. Oh yes it does. Rescue 4 Matchbox. Rescue 4. So start from the top. 4 police interceptor. Hazmat team. No decks on the back, a little bit on the front. Basic police car, but pretty cool. This one is the hybrid rescue fire truck. Pretty cool. Just a little old school kind of truck. Unit 3 fire department on a gold color. Pretty cool. Then we have this Ford F-150 with animal protection and rescue. Back on the side, this one is just plastic all over, but at least the base is metal. Interior has a little fan on the top, and not too much. The animals on the side and animal paw right there. Cool. Then we have this emergency rescue 4x4, non-licensed deco. Pretty cool. We have lens lights, which are the same color as the windshield and the warning lights. Stuff on the back, hinge, toolboxes, compressors, but not. Nice yellow color. And last but not least, the Bay Brigade. This part at the bottom is plastic, this is plastic, this is plastic, and only the top is diecast. I wonder at one point are we just gonna call them molds instead of diecast cars, because yep, they're very plastic heavy. Is plastic? Yeah, that's plastic. Bunch of details on the top. Water cannons. Generator or suitcase. I don't know what that is, or a toolbox. Yep. This one's gonna go to the bags. Not one of my favorites. Let's put it next to the other boat. And last but not least, International Terror Star. So I was telling you in one of the other videos, this is more like the ambulances and emergency vehicles we get around here, not the more European looking ones. No interior, metal base. The body is made out of plastic. Paramedic. Yep. Let's put this one right here, and let's put my favorite ones front, which are these two right here. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Construction vehicles, or sorry, rescue vehicles, and Jurassic Park vehicles. I love the Jurassic Park movies, so these castings are awesome to have them out of my collection. And don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing it, and all that fun stuff, so we can keep bringing you more diecasts. Thank you, and till the next one, have a good one.